Hello friends, welcome to Menaka's channel, and today in this video I'm going to review you which is the best vitamin C serum for our face, and definitely I'm going to recommend you Scent Botanicus vitamin C serum. And I would explain why we have to use this particular product. Since I have used this and it's my personal opinion, this has the best natural ingredients in it which is useful for all the skin types. Even the sensitive skin type people can use this, and this is just amazing, and you won't believe, just use it for a week and you would feel the difference in the skin. And right now you can just see that I have not applied any cream or anything on my face, and you can just feel the glow in my skin. It's been just 2 days I've been using this, and I can feel the difference in my skin. And if you ask me why Sun Botanica's vitamin C serum, I would explain you what are the benefits you would get by using this. And it's the beautiful product, and this I've got this from Amazon. The actual product price, you can see it's 1499, and you have a 20% of discount. You can see it on the box itself, and you can get it for 524 from Amazon. Check the link below in the description. I have provided you so that you can buy it from Amazon. And now let's see why we should use this Scent Botanicus vitamin C serum and what are the benefits. So it is one of the most powerful age fighters. Like, it helps you to reduce the aging, and not only that, it also helps to get rid of the wrinkles and the fine lines you get on your forehead. This Scent Botanicus vitamin C serum is one of the most powerful age fighters. So it is enhanced with vitamin E, which is more effective in protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays, usually in the mornings when you go out. And if you use this vitamin C serum, then you would be protected from the sun's harmful rays. And not only that, it also contains the aloe vera, which is best moisturizer. It moisturizes your skin, and it also contains the jojoba oil, which soothes your skin. It helps you to get a soft texture. And not only that, it also has the green tea extracts, which is a best antioxidant. And all these natural ingredients are available in Scent Botanicus vitamin C. And not only that, it also comes with an when you apply it on the skin, it is not sticky, it absorbs fast. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes the max, and after you apply, it just absorbs easily. And if you're using it in the morning, and if you want to go out after applying this, you can apply your normal moisturizer or sunscreen, and then you can go out. It helps to nourish your skin, and not only that, it is very refreshing. So that's the best part of Scent Botanicus. And not only that, it does not contain any inflammation product, and it will not cause any irritation or redness on your skin. So these things will not happen. It's very safe to apply it on your face. And the next part is, you will quickly see that your skin is hydrated. The next best point is, it helps to reduce the appearance of the wrinkles and the fine lines on the forehead. Especially, it helps to boost the collagen, which is very important in our body to shrink the open pores. And not only that, it also helps to reduce the acne and the acne scars on the face. So that is the best part of the Scent Botanicus vitamin C serum. And moreover, it is suitable for all types of skins, even the people with the sensitive skin or the oily skin type, they can use the Scent Botanicus vitamin C serum. It is not at all harmful, and it's very simple and easy to use. The very next question each one of us have is, why should I use Scent Botanicus vitamin C serum when there is other products in the market? I would insist this because it has no mineral oils and there is no silicone content in it nor any paraben in this. Especially it does not have any inflammatory products, like there is no itching or redness caused on your skin. Even the sensitive skin people can use this just because it contains only the natural, ethically natural ingredients in it. As I mentioned before, it has the hyaluronic acid, which is useful to enhance the skin tone. And next it has aloe vera extract, and you have the green tea extracts and vitamin E oil. The combination of vitamin E oil and vitamin C is really good. It's the best moisturizer. It acts as a moisturizer, and not only that, it helps to keep your skin young and rejuvenating. So it's the best product to use this, and you would find this difference using it within a week. Just use it for 7 days and you would feel the difference. Now I would show you how to use the Sen Botanica's vitamin C serum on your face. So first you need to wash or cleanse your face nicely with a face wash, whichever face wash you are using. Then wipe it out, and now after this take 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C on your fingers like this and apply it all over your face. I've taken around 3 drops and now I'm going to apply all over my face. And you can also apply it under your eye. If you have the dark circles, it helps to get rid of the dark circles also. And apply it all over your face, especially on your cheeks. If you have any scars or the open pores, it helps to reduce or shrink the pores. And you can just see it has just absorbed so fast. It just it's not sticky, and it smells so good. I really feel so refreshing. You can just see I'm applying it all over the forehead so that you will not get any wrinkles or the fine lines on your forehead. Especially you get the wrinkles over here, so apply it. And then it helps in lifting your skin also. So that is the main reason it helps in anti-aging. And not only that, there is you can see it is absorbed totally, and I can feel refreshing and so rejuvenating. It's so good. It's so good. And personally, I insist everyone to use this Scent Botanica's vitamin C serum. So after applying this Sun Botanica's vitamin C serum on my face, I feel it so refreshing, and you can just see within 2 to 3 minutes it is totally absorbed. My skin is not oily and it's not sticky. You can just see it. My hand is so dry. Even after applying it from my fingers, you can see it has just absorbed. If you're going out in the sun, especially in the morning, then after applying this Scent Botanica's vitamin C serum, you can apply your normal moisturizer or a sunscreen along with this. It is very safe to use your moisturizer or a sunscreen even after applying this Scent Botanica's vitamin C serum. And for the better results in your skin, or to get the brighter and even skin tone, you can use this twice a day. That is, in the morning, cleanse your face. After that, apply 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C serum. Depends on your skin. So I have applied around 3 drops. Okay, I took 3 drops of Scent Botanica's vitamin C serum and applied all over my face. Depends on your skin tone. If yours is less oily, then it may need just hardly 2 to 3 drops, or to the max 3 to 4 drops. And repeat the same process in the night. So wash your face, cleanse your face nicely. After that, pat it dry and then apply 2 to 3 drops, same thing, and allow it the whole night on your skin, so that you would get rid of all the scars or the wrinkles, the forelines on your foreheads. After the age of 30, normally we all face aging factors, and that would be first seen on the face. So when you start using this Scent Botanica's vitamin C serum, you can get rid of all these things, and it is so easy, and definitely you would like this product once you start using. To buy this product from Amazon, please check the link below the video in my description, and you can place the order from that. Right now there is a 20% discount going on, so place the order now, and don't forget to comment after using this product how best you feel and how happy you are by using the Scent Botanica's vitamin C serum. Thank you for watching Menaka's channel.